What if I told you that these images are AI-generated Disney posters, and you can create your own for free? I'll show you how. But first, please hit the like and subscribe button. To get started, go to Google and search for Bing Image Creator. Click on the official Microsoft website, and you can also use it on your Microsoft search engine. Now, you'll need to create a Microsoft account if you don't have one. It takes a bit of time, but it's straightforward. First, choose an email of your own, and then set up a password for your Outlook account and choose your location. You don't have to pick Pakistan. You'll also need to solve a simple puzzle to prove you're a human. Once you've done that, you'll be officially logged in. After logging in, you'll see the platform's interface. It's the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 3. You can view images and posters created using this tool. Before we dive into creating posters, let's go over the content policy. Some things, like child exploitation and abuse, are not allowed here. Be sure to check these content policies. Then, we'll continue and start making various posters, including Disney, film, sci-fi, and horror posters. When you arrive at this interface and you're not sure how to create a prompt, just check out the frequently asked questions. Look for question number 5. How do I create better prompts? They suggest that being highly descriptive works best. The more details you add, like adjectives, locations, and even artistic styles, such as digital art, the better your poster or image will turn out. For example, instead of just saying creature, describe its qualities, location, or style, like wearing sunglasses. Physical details are crucial when writing a prompt to generate an image. Without further delay, let's start creating posters. Once you've logged in, here's how to create a Disney-style poster. First, click here and start writing something like a Disney Pixar-style poster with a boy in the center of a jungle looking at a billboard with "Fear Ahead" written on it. Don't forget to mention poster and 3D render. These specifications are essential. Click Create, and it might take a moment. Once it's ready, you'll see your poster. If you feel something's missing, you can add more specifications, and it's okay if it takes some extra time. Just wait patiently. When you're satisfied, click to download it. There's another way to download it by clicking here, and it'll save to your computer or laptop. Next, I'll show you how to create a horror film poster using Microsoft Bing. Just like before, come here and type horror movie poster with a man with a beaten head, with "Gonna Find You" written on it, poster, 3D render. Then, click on Create. You'll see the result is ready. Now, let's discuss how it looks. There's a small issue with the text I provided, which can be fixed by using shorter text. Instead of "Gonna Find You," I'll change it to "Fear." As I mentioned earlier, shorter text makes the poster look better. Look at this one, it looks good to me. So, I'll download this one and this one. In the next part, I'll explain how to create a sci-fi movie poster. Again, click here and type sci-fi movie poster with a hero in the middle, aliens in the background, and spaceships fighting in the background. Write "Last Battle" on the poster and add poster and 3D render at the end. Then, click Create. It's getting ready, as you can see. Wow, this is amazing. Look at the second poster. The text looks beautiful, and the background with spaceships and galaxies is stunning. The third poster is great too. In the fourth poster, there are humans on one side, aliens on the other, the hero in the middle, a big moon, and spaceships. I love it. You can download it from here. In the next step, I'll guide you on creating a comedy film poster. To do this, type a comedy movie poster with Mr. Bean in the center and write Bean 2.0 on the poster. Don't forget to add some specifications. I'm going to include an additional one. Funny. Now, click on Create. As usual, it will take a bit of time because it's loading. When it's ready, you'll be amazed at the results. These two and this one look good to me, so I'll download them. Lastly, I'll show you how to make hacking movie posters. Without further delay, start by typing a hacking movie poster with an anonymous hacker in the center, a Matrix movie simulation, with malware written on it. Make sure to include the specifications, poster, and 3D render, and click Create. Look at these posters. They feature the Matrix movie simulation and good text. There's an anonymous hacker in the center. In the background, you'll find the same characters from the Matrix movie, with similar glasses. There's even one with artificial intelligence robots in the background. I'm going to download them. And there you have it. You've learned how to create stunning posters in various genres. And from Disney and horror to comedy and hacking, all with the help of Microsoft Bing's Image Creator. It's a fantastic tool to unleash your creativity. Remember to explore different prompts, experiment with details, and create images that amaze you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy poster making, and see you in the next tutorial.